Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Subscribe to the channel, get new and interesting video. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell button next to it. Please subscribe to my channel and like, comments. Let's go. Start latest gadget videos. 3 page on. Are you ready for this? Our official full film decoration, the key feature of the 3 page on and the story behind its development. Watch as our folder design James takes you through everything you need to know about the e-bike that is going to change everything. 3 page on. If you like what you see, that hit the link below to find out more and see. 3 page on. E-bike. How you can get your hands on 3 page on electronics e-bike. Learning and intro soon. 3 page on electronics e-bike. Every color and every model. 9-volt kick Skito. Easy to new way to introduce communicating. The new Skito E22E powered by Seward is perfect for the last miles community and illness travels with approx 20 km/h maximum speed with its lightweight and on-push folding system. The E22E can be easy stored in a car, public transport, or just simple by carried in one hand. 9-volt kick Skito. Owing to its confirmed orient design, the battery has been peeled in the shape to make it a compact your powerful kick Skito, and it allows you to travel. Revolve the wheeler. Revolve has been invented and designed with the aim to the first module wheel was in turn will open new function for the present and future of foldable vehicle. Its simplicity and compact design make Remove and ensure an unique product never seen before. The Revolve is a full-size 26-inch pocket wheel that can be folded to a third its dimension and 60% less speed, and back again in an instant. And its commercial availability will offer new design possibility for folding bicycle, folding wheelchair, and many other vehicles that need to be transported in comfort from. Samsung Galaxy A52 introducing the most stunning feature and rank flagship smartphone Samsung Galaxy A52 5G 2021 with great feature. Replacing Galaxy A51 that appropriate on high quality relate. It seems the Samsung is going is around that Galaxy A51 family. Coming in the video, Samsung Galaxy A52 new standing official design smartphone, category, battery, separate seat, future, release date, and much more. For more this new and update, please sit turn. Thanks. Future A, Samsung Galaxy A52. Samsung Galaxy A52 launch date, peace, design, LEDs and speed. Samsung Galaxy A52 price in expert. Samsung Galaxy A52 expert. Hover bike, hoverboard. Hover bike solve the problem. Type specially assured with hoverboard. Hover bike is a new, fun and fast module of transport that valued anyone can drive, as well as being easy for any age to stretch an opportunity. The hover bike is comfortable, versatile and has many facilities used. It's a bike powered by your hoverboard, based out of South Florida. Hoverbike is a small term of attentive mind, introvert, looking a solve problem and have fun in the process. Hoverbike, hoverboard.